Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw another one of the villains from the new Spider-Man No Way Home movie, and today I'm going to show you how to draw Electro. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Electro, we're going to begin with the face. I'm going to start right here, and we're going to draw a little line that's going to come down and then back like a check mark. And we'll do the same thing here, we're just going to go down, and we're going to bring it back like a check mark. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down and up for the eye, and another one here, it's going to go down and up for the eye. Right here, we'll add two little curved lines for the sides of the nose, and a line that's going to go down and up. Then we'll add two lines coming up for the nose. Right here, we're going to make a line that's just going to come across for the mouth, with a little line that's going to go down and up for the lip. Starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to come down, and another one's going to come down and then in just a little bit. Next, we're going to come in, we're going to go over, and then we're going to come back up. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up on each side. We're going to make a line that's going to go up, it's going to come over, and then down. Right here, we're going to draw a little line that comes down on each side. We're going to make a little line that's going to come down, it's going to go up and down, and it's just going to curve around here. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up and down for the ear, and another one that's going to come up and down. Right here, we're going to make kind of like a bumpy line that goes right around here for the hair. Starting here, we're going to make a line that comes down, it's going to go over and then up for the neck. We're going to make two lines that come out. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down, and over here we're going to make a line that's going to come down. And then we're just going to connect it across. Starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to go down, over, and up. And we'll make a line that's going to come down and over, and another one's going to come down and over. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to go down farther. Same thing here, we're going to come down, and we're going to come down farther. Make a little line that's going to come across, we're going to come up and in. Do the same thing, we'll come across, we'll come up and in. Draw a little line across. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that comes down. Make a line that's going to come down, it's going to curve around and then come up. Same thing here, we're going to go down, curve this line around, and then we're going to come up. And we're going to draw a little line that's just going to come across here at the bottom for the boots. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to come out. Same thing here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to bring it out here. Make a line that's going to curve up. It's going to go down and come back. Same thing here, we're going to go up. We're going to come down and back up. Next, we're going to make a little line that's going to come across. Make one here, and then one more here. Do the same thing here. We're going to draw a little kind of oval shape. We'll draw one here, and then one more right here. Make it look like his fists are kind of clenched together. Draw a little line that's going to go over and then up. Then we're going to make a little line that's going to come over and then in like this. So we're going to bring this over and then we're going to come in. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a line that comes down on each side. And we're going to make another line that comes down. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that comes down, and we'll do one over here too. We'll make another little line. We'll make a line right here by the hands. And we'll make a little rectangle shape right above each one. Right up here, we're going to make a long rectangle shape that goes up, over, and down, and we're going to make a long line that comes down. We're going to draw a line that comes out on each side, and then another one on each side. We'll make a couple lines that come down. Right here we're going to draw a kind of like a triangle shape for the arc reactor. And we'll draw another similar shape inside of here. We'll draw two lines that come down here, two lines that come down here, two up here, and then we'll do two up here as well. Then I'm going to make a couple lines that come down on each one, just for like some extra little straps. I'm going to draw two lines that come down, a little line that goes up and over, and a little line that goes up and over. I'm going to make a couple little square shapes by the shoulders. And we're going to make some little lines that go up and down, just to show that they're like wires and different things coming into him. We'll draw a couple little lines right here by the fingers. We'll make another little line that comes down and over by the arms, with a couple little lines on here. Then I'm going to make a couple little lines that go out and then down for more different like cords and wires that are coming out. Then I'm going to kind of darken up some lines up here for the eyebrows. We're going to draw a couple of lines underneath the eyes and then a couple little wrinkle lines on top of the head. I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go down, over, and then back over. We'll draw a couple little lines across too. A little line or two on here. And there you go, there is your drawing of Electro from Spider-Man No Way Home. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.